How to find TikTok videos you've already watched. There are two ways basically to do it. The first one is you want to go to your home page, then go to your search button, then you just want to type period and click search and click view your watch history. And there you go. You can filter by the date, like yesterday, last week, last month, or even some date you want to search it. And the second way to do it is you want to go to your profile page, then click these three lines at your top right and choose settings and privacy. Then you want to go to activity center and choose watch history. And there you go. Same things. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.